Okay.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to our Expert Talk episode 2 with the topic Blockchain Simplified from Understanding to Real World Applications. I'm Daisy. I'm really happy to be your host today. And as you know, blockchain has experienced tremendous increases in adoption, expanding from a relatively niche technology into a mainstream integration across enormous industry, including finance, healthcare, supply chains, and even government operations. And well, recently you might have heard the term blockchain around somewhere else, but you might wondering what blockchain exactly is and how it can become such a phenomenon. But well, luckily today we have our esteemed guest, Mr. Chris, who is the COO and the co-founder of Twendee, a leading company in their blockchain field, who will unravel all our questions. And so just welcome Mr. Chris to our expert talk today. Yes.
Good afternoon, Daisy and everyone.
Yeah.
My name is Chris, co-founder and head of blockchain from Twendee, the software blockchain solution company based in Hanoi, Vietnam. I'm so excited to be here today, and thanks, Reco, for giving me this opportunity.
Yes.
Hopefully, I can deliver useful information to audiences today.
Our pleasure. Oh, yes. So before we start, can you share a little bit about your background? And well, what I'm the most curious about is like what inspired you to become the very first developers in blockchain field?
Okay, thank you for the question. Let's see. Going back to 10 years ago, after finishing my education in Vietnam National University in IT field, I started my career as a full stack developer in creating enterprise solution. And the turning point came with a unique project from a UK customer. They want to develop the booking travel applications based in blockchain. They came to Hanoi and looking for the blockchain developer. But at that time, it was hard to find any blockchain developer in Hanoi. So in a significant career move, my former company uh, make a chance to give me chances from being a Java team leader to become a blockchain developer. So I started with learning some basic concept about the blockchain and trying to build some simple application via some kind of small hackathon at that time. So after that, my boss engaged me to that project. And after a few months, I realized the potential of blockchain not only for that business but for others. So even a few years later, when I found Twendee, we keep engaging and continue to build blockchain solution until now. So yeah.
Okay, I see that your journey, which is you just grabbed the chance and then you just like developed your skills and gradually and now you are like an expert in their blockchain technology.
Yep.
Yes, I'm really happy to hear that. And so by reading many articles or something, we can see that blockchain now has experienced a tremendous increases in adoption. So well, like can you provide us with a bigger picture about it, Mr. Chris?
Okay. So in terms of blockchain adoption in recent year, maybe we can grow to some aspect like blockchain markets. The global blockchain markets reached $10 billion last few years, and in 2017, when first time I start to know about the blockchain, blockchain is mostly associated with Bitcoin.
Oh yeah.
But until now, it's expanding rapidly, including in very various industry like finance and banking and healthcare or posting system like that. In terms of crypto user base, in 2017, there's few million who own any cryptocurrency, but until now, maybe we have more than over 300 million users who own any cryptocurrencies. DeFi and NFT maybe it was unknown concept in the last 7 years, but until now, the market size reached a multi-million dollar. Also, the important part here is the enterprise solution. So many large company or even country start to research and implement blockchain solution in their business. So that is the kind of big impact and big a huge impact from adoption in last recent year.
Oh yeah, I see that. What impressive numbers. And so from that numbers, I can see that the really rapid development of blockchain and how it's become so popular right now.
Yeah.
Okay. But I think that so for everyone who like have known about this and they are curious about blockchain, I think that we should get started right now into the part like what exactly blockchain is and what are the key features that make it stand out like that and make it like develop so fast.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Okay, so talking about the concept of blockchain, maybe we can refer to like it could be the decentralized and distributed database that is shared across the network of computers. So to be more clear, let's come with some key features. The first one is transparency. That means transaction on blockchain can be viewed by anyone in the network. And once recorded, the data cannot be deleted, be trained. So it's made highly secure and immutable. And the second one is decentralized. That means unlike decentralized system is controlled by a single entity. A blockchain system it disputes its data and it's under control based on the network of computer or we call node, which is make not rely on any center or any single point of control. And the third one is the security. Of course, blockchain is a cryptographic algorithm, and to secure the data, each transaction is encrypted and linked to a private block. So with three key features, blockchain will come with many applications in various industries.
Oh yes, okay. So we just like lock the information into the block, and the block will be blocked, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Kind of that.
And then it create a chain, like so we call it blockchain.
Yeah.
But I've heard one of its key features that is decentralized and transparency.
Yeah.
So so I think that like all the blockchains are public, right? And all the blocks are public to everyone. Is that right?
Actually, a blockchain is public. It quite it is a quite common misconception about the blockchain. And talking about the blockchain type, maybe we can come with two main type or even three. With two main type mean the public and private, or we also have the hybrids. So public blockchain like very common like Bitcoin or Ethereum. That are open for anyone, and any user can join and participate on this network. They are transparent, meaning all transaction is publicly acceptable. On other hand, a private blockchain, they are controlled by a single authorization or group. So access on this blockchain is restricted and only an authorized group or participant can join it. A combination of blockchain, public and private, we can have the hybrid. Is for specific application who require some consent for privacy, but still need some use case for public blockchain. So we can consider to use hybrids.
Oh yeah, so I think that the hybrid is a combination between the private and the public.
Yeah.
So I think that their further outstanding feature of private and public will be combined in hybrid.
Yeah,
so we should use the hybrid.
Yeah.
Yes. So let me see. Okay, so we see that we have many types of blockchain and many like the concept of that. So how about like in the with blockchain, various industries are undergoing transformative and widespread shift, and it's bring a lot of like value. So can you like with your wealth of experience, can you walk us through the transformative shift that can make in their industry and like many industries?
Yeah, okay. So as I just said, blockchain maybe have a is have an application in many industry, but here today I will come with three main industry.
Yeah.
The first one and most obvious one is the finance and banking. With key feature of blockchain, we can have improved traditional services like transaction of finance by faster, safer, and more secure transaction, and we can reduce the risk and fraud. Like we have Bitcoin, the first cryptocurrency that's launched in 2009, and we have Ripple, that is the kind of blockchain support the cross-border payment. And also we also expand many type DeFi services. It's a new finances model that can be applied not only in the past but for now and in the future. Uh, Big brand like Mastercard and Visa also developing blockchain to have a secure payment and start to develop the future for international payment and new finance services. In terms of healthcare, blockchain could ensure the secure data management, and patient can own and control their data, and they can control the permission they share to any hospital or any healthcare provider. The big brand that is developed blockchain application in healthcare is IBM and Gotham. Yeah, another part is the voting system. With transparency and secure feature, blockchain can provide a good system for voting, and we can provide a very clear, transparent results of voting. Estonia, is the most I think it's the most obvious country that is applying blockchain in a lot of application.
Yes.
Voting is one of that. Also in Vietnam, last few years in some kind of Miss Universe, we also use blockchain
Oh,
for
really?
voting. I remember in Miss Universe Vietnam in 2019, they also had a voting system based in blockchain to
Wow.
make the results clear and transparent for everyone.
Oh
Yeah.
yeah. So I think that its application is like in every aspect of life
Yeah.
because I have a banking card that has a name Mastercard.
Yeah.
Yeah, in the corner of the card we got the word Mastercard, and now I know what is Mastercard.
Yeah.
Yes, and well, for the voting system, like it's really new to me. That is the first time I ever heard about that.
Mm-hmm.
Oh wow! So like okay, its application is so widespread and in every aspect of life that maybe we haven't known about that.
Yeah.
Oh wow! So excited! I think. Okay, so about I see that its potential and its application. So how about the future outlook of blockchain technology? What is on the horizon or in the future? Do you see any trends or anything that we should keep an eye on?
Okay. Talking about the future outlook of blockchain, maybe firstly we need to agree with the audience today is the global blockchain technologies market is still growing significantly and increase the adoption across the various industry like I just shared. And in terms of DeFi and NFT, even is the potential and promising trend, but it's still growing and develop a lot in next coming years.
Yes.
And the next trend could be tokenization for real world assets. So it could bring more benefits like increase the liquidity. So we can separate assets to small tradable units, and we can open more opportunity for investment for smaller investor.
Oh.
Yeah, so people can invest in assets via this. And the next one could be blockchain in the government service, of course, to get more adoption for population. Right now, we need blockchain for government services. Like we need to have some services like voting, like digital identity. Yeah, and so that could be the big step to integrate blockchain in the real life. And the last one I want to say is the blockchain identity for all. So that means everyone can have their own ID. So they have a full control over their own data, and they can use it across the various platform and services. In finance, they can provide necessary document for bank without any many steps right now. Yeah, and in healthcare, like I said, and also they can manage like education records and even travel passport across the country. So we if you come to the new country, if you have the identity in blockchain, you can say it to authority, and you don't need a passport right now. Yes.
Wow. So like I don't have to spend time to wait for the passport to
Yeah.
become activated, right?
But I think we need to wait. I
like-
hopefully it could be
Yeah.
applied soon.
But I'm really looking forward to seeing that future, that outlook, because
Yeah.
it sounds so interesting. Like traveling without passport, which is an identity card. So amazing to me, I think.
Yeah.
Okay. So like the future outlook is so bright, and their like application is so good and so widespread. But if I'm a business, okay, yeah, because when I was a child, I had a dream of becoming a CEO lipstick.
Wow.
So right now, I think that if I'm the business owner, I will like care about their opportunities and the challenges their one new technology will bring to us, and I see if it has a potential or not.
Yeah.
So can you like share about their challenges and the opportunities that I have to face when I apply it?
Okay, sure. Even blockchain is some potential, but it still comes with some challenges and of course opportunity for business owner. So let's come with challenges first. The first one is we are now lacking the understanding expertise about blockchain, because blockchain concept is not easy to understand, and it's not for one stop fully solution for everything. It's will have it will so helpful for some kind of application and aspect. So the general lack of understanding about blockchain also keep the adoption increase rate slowly. So that is the first challenges. And the second one, the regulatory and legal challenge. And this is still evolving, but I think it could take a few years to get accepted by government or by many official organizations. And the last one, not the last, but it's the third one. We still have many, but I can share more later. But the third one is the iteration with existing system, because bringing blockchain to current system is quite complex, and it could make the cost
it will be costly, right?
So you need to take time, and it's costly for business owner to start iterate blockchain with any system right now. And but if you can have a chance to do that, it could come with some kind of opportunities. The first one, of course, as you mentioned again, is transparent and trust for a stakeholder in your business. Every process, every aspect needs transparent and trust. You should come with blockchain.
Of course, I do believe.
And second one, they improve the effectively and cost reductions. That means right now most of blockchain support a smart contract, and with smart contract we can streamline the process of iteration of operation, and that could be reduce the effort and cost based on that.
Time too, you think?
Yeah, you also could decrease the risk of errors and delay based on the human efforts. Yeah, and the last one, you could enhance the security. Yeah, that means you could have a safer transaction and secure handling sensitive data. And also based on that, you can reduce the risk of lacking information in the business. Yeah.
Yes, because it is one of their key feature of that is the security.
Yeah, it's true.
Yeah, and I see that the opportunity is so like intriguing to me. It's just so tempting because I'm the one who like the logical system, and I want everything will be streamlined, and I can like like create just one system to log everything, to all the information in it.
Yeah.
So well, maybe I will like hear more about the opportunities instead of the challenges, because you
Yeah.
know, like every technology will have its challenges, but we have to accept that.
Yeah.
If we want, we have to take risk.
Yeah. Yeah.
And
Of
I do
course.
believe that high risk, high return.
Oh yeah. Of course. I do believe so.
Yes. So well, let me see. Okay, I think I see right now. I'm kind of like being okay to your system,
Yeah.
and I will consider to apply that to my new business.
Yeah.
So what should I do, and what should I do to apply it? Like,
Okay.
and how many steps or something? I will care about that.
Okay. So I think for your question, I will take a look generally for 3 steps, and later I will share more detail. Yes, the first one, you should identify the use case in the business. You should identity which parts of your business should apply blockchain, and you should set the goals or challenges when applying blockchain in your business. Okay, in the second step, you should develop your expertise and also the solution for that, of course. And the final one, you should start with the MVP version. You should develop the pilot version and start to apply it and see how effective that is. So based on that, you can continue to scale your blockchain solution in your business.
Oh wow.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh wow, I think that the general steps are so simple with just 3-1.
Yeah.
But I think that like the whole process will be a little bit like more intricated. But how long does it take to apply the 3 steps? Average time?
It totally depends on how complexity your business is.
Wow.
But I could say maybe it could take from a few weeks until a few months or even years for building a successful case for your business.
Oh wow.
Maybe you can come with us for Twendee. We can support you to give you the estimation or draft timeline for that. Yes.
Yeah, come to Twendee and I will know exact the time that we have to spend on it, right?
Yeah, yeah, true.
Oh yeah. So okay. So when you mentioned Twendee, I just like, because I know that you guys are just one of the leading company in the blockchain technology in Vietnam, right?
Yeah.
So I just wonder, like, what do you do? Like, kind of like I just want to unlock the full potential of blockchain with Twendee. Like, what can you offer us, and what can you do, and how can you help us?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Over past few years, we already developed many type solution with blockchain, and here's the list. Maybe you can know more when you accessing the Twendee website.
Yes.
And let's come one by one. The first one is decentralized finance solution. So Twendee can help you to develop the DeFi project and solution to approach with many new model of DeFi like lending, borrowing, staking, or yield farming. And for other industry, we have a good support to develop a blockchain app.
Yeah.
Yes, so if you have any blockchain app in various industry, you can come with us. We also provide some private and public blockchain solution based on your business needed. Yeah, and from last year we start to provide blockchain solution as a service.
Yeah.
That means we have many ready blockchain solutions, and you can come with us and pay just a small fee to get license to use in your business. So that could save more cost for
for startup like me or something.
It's true. Or if you have no idea about the blockchain but you want to try it, we have the blockchain consulting services, and based on that we can identify the problem and the point we can apply blockchain on your business. Yeah, that's it.
Okay, so that is one of your service, right?
Yeah.
That you just mentioned before. You can contact us later.
Yeah, why not?
Okay. And I see that. Because I just like follow your website, so I just knew a new like program that you are like developing, right?
Yeah.
It's called Tech Buddy or something.
Yeah. We have we have one program. It's Take Party program.
Wow.
Maybe it's the one-stop solution provider for all earlier stage startup. So if you are young, you have the something new
Yes.
you want to develop, you want to change the world.
Mm.
Not only with blockchain, with
Yes.
even with other technologies, you can come with it. So we can support startup founder in many aspects. Like we can help you to verify the idea. We can support you to connect the capital, the venture capital or investor, and you can start to support you in terms of development or even marketing operation as well.
Wow.
And this program is so special because if your startup is potential, we can offer you some sponsor package. Like it could be from 30% until 100% of development cost
Wow, 100%.
based on how potential your startup is.
Wow.
So for more detail, you can scan the QR code here and
Okay.
enjoy this program with Twendee.
Oh yes, I think that I will like scan the code like immediately after our program because
Sure.
I hope that maybe my idea to start up to make a new company in lipstick, yes, will become true or something.
Yeah.
Yes, but I think that their name is so cute. Take Body.
Thank you. Yeah.
Yes, and the name it's just like kind of. Is now with that name you're not kind of just a company, but now you guys are like my friends and go with it, accompany us in every step of our business, right?
Yeah.
Wow, so cool. Okay, so let me see. Well, so just here are the service, but how you can develop a new one, a new like business, or from an idea to
Okay. So
real life application.
So as I mentioned, let's come with detail the step to develop any project, but specific for blockchain. So first one, you need to start to planning and analyze your requirement,
Yes.
the pain point, what you need to develop, and how blockchain can support that. So based on that, we can go with a second step to design the technical architecture, and it could be good for the current application and also for scaling later.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, and the main parts could be the development and as I just said, you should develop the MVP or prototype version first and try to see how effective that could bring for the business. And the fourth step is the testing and deployment. You said you should test and try to deploy with some small scope of users.
Yeah.
So based on that, you can see the results. And after everything is good, everything is fine, you can go into the maintain and start to think about the scaling. So you can expand more for not only your business but for other, and you can share with people about the successful case blockchain can bring.
Okay, yes. Like word of mouth, and the other business will come to you.
Yeah, you too.
But in these steps, like which is the most difficult step for?
I think for blockchain, I think the first two steps is the most difficult step since blockchain is new for most people right now.
Yes.
And of course, for development and testing and maintenance, it could be handled by Twendee.
Oh yeah, I got this. So I think that like with many years working in blockchain technology, I think that you will have like many cases that you help them like to develop like successfully. But can you share one of them that you are that you like the most about? Can you share one case study?
Over past few years, I finished maybe more than 50 projects in blockchain. So let's come with one case study I like mostly. It's Condi Sport. That is a blockchain lifestyle app. By combining the benefit of earning reward and doing exercise, it's good for your health, right?
Oh, yes.
So we provide this kind of application. So here some key feature. The first one is activity tracking. So this app can integrate with some kind of app, activity tracking app like Garmin or Strava right now to synchronize your data. And we provide a good ways to earning rewards based on what you do So the more you do the exercise, the more you will earn the rewards.
Yeah.
And based on that, this reward could be the digital assets, like it could be the token, could be the NFT, could be the voucher of other sport brand, and you can bring it to trade, to sell or buy in the marketplace. And we also have some agreement with Samsung to list the wearable device like the watch in the app. And whenever people buy the watch in the app, it could be linked to the virtual watch. So every time you're doing the exercise or running, or swimming, it could be synchronized to this app. And we also iterate with some healthcare and fitness platform.
Wow.
Of course, talking about the blockchain, we use smart contract to automatically distribute the reward, calculate the activity. So based on that, we can secure the data and privacy for users. Okay, so this app, the reason why I like is mostly because because I'm a fan of sport.
Yes, I see.
I like playing football and running, so this app is so exciting for me to in terms of not only for practice doing more, but I can earn the reward.
Oh, yes.
So I think blockchain could bring more value for this case, and that's why I share with you today.
Oh yes, I see. I think that that app is like really impressive one, because I don't think that it is is a one of the product of blockchain, because it's so good and it's so cool. And I think that with this app, I will like practice more and I will do more exercise to get more confident, because it's a real one, right?
Yeah, you
and we can use that. Yes. And so, like the D Sport now have under which app? Android and the App Store too, right?
We are in the state of development, but you could find in Android and iOS App Store.
Whoa! Wow! Cool. I think I will find it later.
Yeah.
Wow. And it's so. I think that as will like develop more and more in the future with more functions and like more impressive. I think more interesting.
Of course.
Yeah. Okay. So now let me see. Okay. Okay. So right now, I think. Okay. So do you want to grab some butter or something?
Because we're just talking a lot.
Yes, we have been like running through so many things. Okay. Okay. So our beloved audience, you can like spend a little time off and grab some water to drink like us, and yes, and keep on going with our program, because they're like the most intriguing part is still behind. Okay, so now I think let's move on to the most interesting part. Yes, of our talk today. That is the Q&A part.
Okay. So
yeah. So in the time waiting, we will wait for some question. Okay, Mr. Mr. Allen, can you give me the let me see. Okay, we will wait for a while. Okay, so like, how do you feel right now after your?
I think I'm so happy today because I can deliver a little bit about my knowledge about blockchain, and this could inspire or motivate other people. To start develop something new, not only blockchain but in other technology field.
Okay, sure. Wait for me. Right, Mr. Allen, I cannot find the Wi-Fi. And can you give me the link? Sorry, the Wi-Fi one. Okay, excuse me. Okay, I cannot find your Wi-Fi. Okay, is that okay right now? Or you can give me right now to the question, the real question. Give me the link, please. The link of YouTube right now in your phone. Okay, now let's see, what do we have here? Okay. Okay, and for our talk today, we got some question. Okay, and I see that we have a one question from Miss Nancy. I
Okay.
think she's a girl, yeah.
Yeah.
And
It's nice to meet you, Nancy.
yes, okay. So right now it is the question Bitcoin. She just asked that are Bitcoin and blockchain are the same?
Oh my God.
Yes. So I think they're the same other person. Is that right?
This is maybe 100 times I heard about this question. Actually, the Bitcoin and blockchain are same. It's a very common misconception about the blockchain.
Yeah.
Since the Bitcoin, the application of blockchain, and blockchain is underlying technologies for Bitcoin.
Yeah.
So this is not same. Blockchain still have many other applications.
Oh yes. So well, in brief, like Bitcoin is just one of the most famous like application of blockchain.
Yeah.
So that's the reason why people just think that blockchain and Bitcoin are the same.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Okay, Miss Nancy, I think that's the question, the answer from Mr. Chris just satisfy you, right?
Yeah.
And let me see. Oh, okay. And let me see. The second question for you is from Mr. Jack, and he just asked that um, the potential for development of blockchain in Vietnam. What is it potential? Because like I think that he
Okay.
just saw so many things.
Okay, so talking about the potential of development, blockchain development in Vietnam, maybe we can come with some points. The first one, Vietnam is currently experiencing what is known as a golden population structure, which means we have a high percentage of young people. That makes so easy to adapt new technologies like blockchain, and also we can see Vietnam have the good foundation of the technical. And talking about the cryptocurrency ownership, Vietnam has very high rate of that. So more people will own the cryptocurrency. They know more about the blockchain.
Yeah.
Indeed, we have to agree with audience today. Is the Vietnam government has been actively promoting and supporting technology like blockchain and AI. Yes. For startup and innovation in recent years.
Ooh.
So, and the last one I want to mention is the blockchain technology is attracting the significant for investment and attention from international investors. So we have more chance for develop blockchain in Vietnam right now.
Yes, for develop blockchain in Vietnam. Well done. I think it's a great question. And right now, I hope that Mr. Jack, there's just know about their potential of blockchain development in Vietnam. And maybe if you have the intention of like start a business or something,
Yeah.
you can contact Mr. Chris. Okay. Yes. And I see that is the one question that I really like from Miss Nancy too. I think that she's really liked your program. And here, she just asked, could you share a little bit about one of their successful case studies from the Twendee Tech Body program? Yes.
Oh, I see. Yeah. Okay, so let's come with the first successful case study about this program. This came with 2 years ago when I talking with two of my old friends from Singapore, and they started to think about the the platform that could be the gateway for new users to get more information and get understanding about the Web3 project, blockchain project, and they just came with me with the idea, and after discussing with them in some meetings, we have finalized the idea, but they have no money, you know.
Yes.
They have no money at that time, and we can see how potential that project was, and Twendee decided to sponsor 100% for develop MVP for them.
100%.
Yeah.
A real case.
And of course, they spend some their own effort to do some kind of marketing activities. So after 3 months, we have a good growing via the community, via the platform, and they start to bring it to some investor. Also, Twendee can introduce some investor at that time, but luckily, one big investor is Anler Vietnam. They invest more than 110K in this startup, and after that turning point, two founders came back with Twendee and decided to Twendee as the main development partner for them.
Whoa.
So from that, we have a very close relationship.
Yes.
Until now, they still developing the platform, and the platform is still growing, and they also introduce some other founder for Twendee, and we keep continue to growing this program.
Whoa, okay, that's so cool, and it sounds so motivated too.
Yeah.
Yes.
I hope it could make some motivation for young guy, and it could inspire young people to start to do and think about the new thing.
Yeah, think about the new thing,
Yeah.
and like they just like don't have to fear to do something new.
Yeah.
Just like create the ideas, and maybe you like there is the will, there is a way, right?
Yeah. Just coming with us for your ideas, and we can evaluate how potential your idea is, and based on that, we can offer you some good things.
Yes,
Yeah.
exactly. And here, let me see. Let's see. Do we have any other? I forgot one question. Like from, I think that this one is from their a developer.
Okay.
Yeah, because the question is that let me see. So so for the developers in transitioning to blockchain, what needs to be prepared? What they need to prepare to transition to that?
Okay. Good question. I was a developer, so I think being a developer, you only have the good foundation of development programming. So let's talk about some additional key to start learning blockchain. The first one, I think, you should have a good English skill, like listening and reading. So you can start to learn from some academy, good sources, and you can join some community, global community to discuss, to learn about the best one. So and the second one is you should have the self-learning skill, and also you should using AI a lot. You have to have a skill of using your AI to support your study. Yeah, and of course, blockchain change a lot every day. Maybe tomorrow we have a new thing with blockchain, and you need to keep updating and adapting with the new trend from this field. So I think I hope my advice is good for you.
Yeah, okay, and I think that is really
Yeah.
so they're really needed once to become a good like developer, not just only in blockchain, but in other technologies. Maybe the new one like Stripe or something.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So I see that. Okay, and I hope that the answer from Mr. Chris just help you to have a better way or a better preparation for your new career, for your career path in the future.
Yeah.
Yes. And I think we have one more question.
Oh my God.
Yes.
So many questions.
And I think that's the last
Oh,
two.
it's okay. It's okay.
It's okay, right?
Yeah.
I think you like it, right?
Yeah. No problem.
Okay. And here, um, maybe the one potential customer for your tech buddy.
Wow.
Can you share what advantages do startups have when applying blockchain technology, especially in finance and banking? Yes.
Yeah.
Really big.
Okay. So talking about the advantage when applying blockchain, maybe you should identify which kind of business you are right now. So based on that, if your business needs transparency and trust and
Yes.
security, you should think about the blockchain.
Mm.
Applying blockchain could make a huge impact. For example, in the finance, if you apply blockchain on finance for cross-border payment, you
Yes.
can reduce the cost. You can get faster transaction, not
Yeah.
only few days, but it could be few seconds,
Mm.
and you can reduce many risks of security and.
Yeah.
And that is firstly let identify which kind of business you are, and okay, you can come in the Twendee and
Again.
well, we can have you. Yeah.
Yes,
Sure.
okay. So I think that to talk about it, it's a little bit wide. So I think that I more specific advice, like when I private talk or something, will be better for this case.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so thank you, Mr. Nguyễn Đức, for your question, and that is
Okay.
the last question today.
Thank you, Nguyễn Đức.
And okay, and we got many thanks for Miss Nancy's and Miss Jack Nguyễn too. Yeah.
Yeah.
So okay, and I think that's okay. We have just gone through many aspects of blockchain, from their key features and the concepts, their opportunities and challenges too.
Yeah.
Yes, and you just walk us through the journey. And I think
Okay.
now we are like now clear more about the blockchain technology. Yeah. So thank you so much, Mr. Chris, for being here today.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you, Daisy, and everyone.
Yes. And for our audience, thank you so much for keep going with us from the beginning until now, the end of our program. And we do believe that blockchain evolution will like keep on going, not just right now, but in the future. So if you have many ideas or if you have many like startups or something, you can contact with Mr. Chris. Yeah. And thank you so much, everyone, and have a nice entire day. So goodbye.
Bye.